just kind of dampen our board. But y'all, I forgot to look for my squeegee. Gotta have a squeegee. So just kind of damp our board. And then we're going to take that vinyl off. Okay. Just like that. Right here, the 2 holes at the top of the board is considered the top. So we are going to line this up. Just like that. And then we're going to take our squeegee and we're going to go from the inside out, pushing out any air bubbles, extra water. Just like that. And then I kind of look from the side just to make sure I didn't miss any air bubbles. Give it one more wipe inside to the out. And then I'm just going to take a dry paper towel and wipe off our vinyl. Just like that. This is the only time my table gets wiped down, is when I do a vinyl. So I'm just going to wipe that down. All right. Now we need to put on our zip ties. So it's hard to go ahead and